Whether you're a longtime user or just purchased your first PAL system, we want to say thank you, and we hope you've already seen the benefits that power-assisted liposuction provides for you and your patients.
Using lint-free decontamination wipes, carefully wipe down all exterior visible portions of the cable to remove any residual soil that may have gotten on them during the procedure. Carefully inspect the cable after the wipe down to ensure that all soil has been removed, and repeat the wipe down process as necessary until no visible soil remains. Using lint-free decontamination wipes, wipe down the exterior visible surfaces of your PAL handpiece. During the wipe down process, carefully wipe around the throttle slide and the cannula connection, as well as the tubing slot going along the bottom of the handpiece to ensure that all soil has been wiped clean. Carefully inspect your PAL handpiece after the wipe down process for any residual soil, and repeat the wipe down process until no visible soil remains. MicroAire offers a CAP 600E, which is suitable for manual and automated cleaning for your PAL handpiece. If you have purchased the CAP 600E, please install that now before proceeding to the washing process. Should you not have a CAP 600E and you are planning on cleaning manually, simply insert the cable into the cable connection of the handpiece. Don't forget to install the washer cap over the console end of the cable. Caps are only appropriate for washing, and they are never appropriate for sterilization and should be removed prior to sterilization. Once the CAP 600E or the cable is installed into the connection point on your PAL handpiece, proceed to scrubbing the exterior visible surfaces of your handpiece with a soft bristled brush and a mild detergent as instructed in the instructions for use provided with your PAL handpiece. Carefully scrub around the connection point for the cannula as well as the throttle slide during this process, as soil often accumulates in these areas. Once all exterior surfaces of the PAL handpiece have been scrubbed with the brush, then proceed to angle the front of the handpiece where the cannula connects downward and rinse the device under a tap to ensure that water flows over the exterior surfaces of the handpiece, but not in the area where the cable or the CAP 600E connects to the handpiece. Once the rinsing process is complete, then use a lint-free towel and gently wipe all exterior surfaces of your PAL handpiece, including that of the throttle slide in both the run and safe positions. Also wipe down the cannula connection end of your handpiece and the suction tubing port on your handpiece to ensure that all moisture has been removed. Inspect the handpiece for any remaining soil or moisture and repeat as necessary until no soil or moisture remains. Prior to sterilization, you must remove the CAP 600E or the cable from the handpiece that was installed during the rinsing and the wipe down process. Once the cleaning process is complete, be sure to remove the caps from each end of your cable, and take care not to tightly coil the cable prior to sterilization, as leaving the caps on the cables during sterilization as well as coiling the cable too tightly can cause cable damage. Thank you for watching this informative video on how to clean and reprocess your PAL handpiece. Please remember to always follow the instructions in your instructions for use, and should you have questions, please contact MicroAire customer service at 1-800-722-0822, and you can also reach us by email at inquiry@microaire.com. You can always find your instructions for use manual on our website at www.microaire.com/resources. We encourage you to check the website regularly to ensure that you have the most current version of the instruction manual for your PAL handpiece.